Long trokabarim risim kang tangke ora songatum alamdon kache togalong kido Karbiang longalong Sainik School nangjipu kijong duna tengpen Korkanthi constituency ki parlo langlok sopen samilang soada Inghan pholialong Sainik School ki kim kirang ponji phanpura Second Lancers Regiment Lieutenant Colonel IP Sing adim klong nangkilang Vosik ni pha inkoyani Korkanthi constituency ki parlo langlok sopen samilang soadak Inghan pholialong Sainik School ki ponji adim Goalpara Sainik Pen Second Lancers Regiment Lieutenant Colonel IP Sing nangkahumri Bangso Hut Karbiang Thomas Council Joint Secretary CM Tiso Phuloni Revenue Circle Assistant Settlement Officer Jojo Terang Rat Cyclem Bangphu Rangsina Hanse Tumpen Dangrok Pinangan Arpu Kido Tumche Tongdunsi Sainik School ki biji aduya hoy palangdun Bangso Hut Phirangke Tumangno Kanimje Tikang Nake Labang Sola Mate Akam Mukha Nili High Authority Tumaphan Puthop Pachini Dam Thusi Akam Bang ki Klem Pangcheng Pon Popusi Indian Army 2L Mate Second Lieutenant IP Sing Pen Pachini Pon.
Thankful to the Principal Secretary for granting a full support to us for giving two land which are sufficient in the measurement to construct a Sainik School in the due course of time. I am very certain that Sainik School in this area will not only build up the education, it will also bring up a new infrastructure which will be an important landmark for the place. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Karbiang Thomas Council CM Dr. Tuliram Long hanga hin pen kidam tangapor hut kithan pon Sainik School ake inglong aso mate dak Karbiang long ara tuma phansi 80% abangki kichari dunlong jephan anghoy thik pipo lapen ning ke hanga bang phu bang phietum Indian Army kachipaman jephan ta Varsai long pon poputa than pon dong mukak pen semsing ti Karbiang long life